Hello, I've got a screw here that I can't get out. I'm working on a staircase at my own home after work here, and I know they make screw extractors. However, I don't own one, and it's currently too late to even go look for one. So what I did was I used a dull blade on my oscillating tool to just keep putting it up against the screw. And what that's going to do is it's going to melt that paint. I'm not sure if this is lead paint. I don't know. It's an old home. However, if I just keep putting it lightly against it, I don't want to cut the screw, which is why I use a dull one. But what it's going to do is it's going to heat up the screw, and if you'll watch, it'll actually pop out the paint that's stuck inside, which allows me to extract it. Now, if you have a lot of these, you can go and get a screw extractor. However, in a pinch, this is a great tip. And I randomly figured it out. So, thanks for watching, and check out more of our videos. Thanks.